All right, so today I'm gonna show you how we flip houses on this one. All right, so this house that we got, I initially bought it for an Airbnb, but I didn't really like the cash flow too much. The interest rates went up a little bit, so my cash flow is not that, it was not that good. And I decided to put it on the market, and I actually broke the record for the size of the house, and only being a 2-1 in the neighborhood. All right, so before the top of the market was 150, I just sold this house for 175. All right, I'm gonna break down the numbers for y'all later in this video. Make sure y'all stay all the way to the end, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how the whole thing went down. All right, make sure you subscribe too, follow with all your friends, drop some comments. All right, let's go. Hey, put out with that, man. Shout out my boy Willie, man. If you know, you know. All right.
Yeah.
All right, fellas, welcome to the closing table. Y'all probably seen this before in one of my vlogs. This is where we close the deal. All right, so I only saw comps for about 150 on this property. I just thought mine was really nice, and I always stretch it out, fuck it, whatever. So I put it for 175, got the offer same day for 181. All right, so they went over 6K. That was about a month ago, close to 2 months ago. So here we are at the closing table, and this is how you flip a house. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so we're closing this property right here, and we actually just came into like a little discrepancy, you can call it. So I'm looking at the HUD, right? You know what a HUD is, guys, right? Where it shows all the line items of who's getting charged what. So the title company that I bought it from in February of this year forgot to pay the taxes for last year. All right, brother.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Let's get out of here. Yeah, that's why you use title companies, because they guarantee that stuff, right? It's the whole point of paying them, $2,000 to close, because other than that, I can just buy the house from the seller, wire them the money, we don't pay title companies, but they make sure there's no debts owed, no liens, no, stuff like that. So they clear all that, and then they give you title insurance, and that's basically saying that they're protecting that this title is clear and there's no debts owed. That's the whole point of a title company. All right, so we just left the title company. I'm gonna go show y'all the house and break down the numbers, acquisitions, rehab, sales price, so y'all can get more or less of a feel of how this works, how I got it. All right, guys, so this is the property right behind me. As you can see, it's a little like 700 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It had a good layout though. I completely redid everything on the inside, the outside. I painted it, replaced a few boards, put new trim, decking. I made it pretty nice. I didn't even get to put landscaping yet, front or back, and I didn't even get to pressure wash it. And I made a very healthy profit on this deal. So as you can see, the neighborhood's a little rough, right? So a lot of people didn't want to close on this, but when they sent it to me, I saw potential, right? So I bought it for $75,000. I paid $3,000 for whoever brought me the deal. It was actually my 2 cousins. It was their first deal, so I paid them $3,000, and then I put about $30,000 into the property. All right, so you do the math. All right, guys, so that's how that deal went, how much I got it for, the repairs, how much I sold it for. So y'all can kind of break down the numbers and see what a real life house flip looks like. All right, it wasn't the best neighborhood, right? It wasn't the best circumstances, but I made it work because I know my numbers. So make sure y'all subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. I got about 3 projects I'm working right now, and y'all know that we have a wholesale company in San Antonio that's going to be the biggest in the city. So stay tuned, we're growing and we're going to take over. All right, see you on the next one. Stay clutch.